How to delete a story on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a story on your Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo app. Once you are here, click on the shot icon up there and you have your story. Click on it. Now this is my story. All I need to do to delete this story, you have deleted icon up there beside my profile. All you need to do is click on it, and like you see, are you sure you want to delete this story? Just click on OK, and this is how, like you see, the story have disappeared. This is mean you deleted your story. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful.